Once detect the small wrong sound, the camera will immediately push the wrong immediately to your mobile phone or email. That is okay. And also, it has the sound and light around. It can achieve the during warming. It means that someone is detached. The device will immediately catch the image to send out the pictures to your mobile phone or your email. Okay, that is all. Good. Hi, welcome to our live channel. How are you? If you have any question about our cameras, I will tell you some of the fractions. Okay. If you have any question about that, please leave a message and I will reply to you now or later. Thank you very much. And also, these cameras is IP66 waterproof. You can don't worry afraid of the sun or wind. You can easily dealing with the rain and snow weather. So that is good. And we are also widely used in the factories, office mall, office buildings, and other school or other place. That is very good. Okay, that is the RJ45. Yes, this is the reception buttons at these cameras. This version, if you can reset these cameras, you can create these buttons. Okay, and this is the TF card. Can everybody see that? Okay, that's good. There is the IP66 waterproof outdoor camera. Yes, if you like it, you can place the order at the end, at the link. Thank you. Okay.